are. We are baling the rest of the grass hay that we didn't get done the other night. Getting that baled and getting it up and out of the fields here. I know with the last video that I made, a lot of you are interested in the motor on the baler. It is a 29 horsepower motor, and it is nice because you can use whatever tractor you want with the baler. While we do like to make small bales in the field sometimes, the main reason that we got the baler was to be able to convert large bales into small bales for some of the smaller horse farmers in the area. It works out really well. You don't have to have a tractor attached to it. You can just sit it on the barn floor, feed the large bales in, and it does a really nice small bale. That's also the reason that there's no kicker on this baler. A lot of you had noticed that. So when we're baling in the field, we tend to just let them lay and then run around and pick them up, and I have some pictures of us doing that later on here. At any rate, we really enjoy this baler. It works really well for us here on the farm, and makes a really nice tight small bale. Bales again today. This is usually my job behind the wheel, but when they're stacking on the wagon, I will get out and help pick them up out of the field. But we are getting the last of our grass hay in. We're hoping for some rain tonight. They're calling for scattered thunder showers, so maybe we'll get some. So I just thought I'd do a quick update here on what we're doing tonight.
see. Let the farmers' kids run around outside. Get some energy out of them. They have way too much of that. Sometimes I wish we could bottle it up and save it for ourselves, but not tonight. So I hope you enjoy this little clip, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. So we are out picking bales again tonight, and I think this is probably one of my most favorite scenes, is seeing the sunset in the sky as we're working as a family out here to get a crop in. I'm not sure what this one's doing here, but we have the farmer and the farmer's son up on the wagon, up on the trailer, stacking bales.
Mom, get a picture of me.
Working together.
Mom, get a picture
I did.
of me.
I did get a picture of you, bud. And just a beautiful sunset there in the background.
Bale. Mom, take a picture of me.